going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, for those of you who were not on my live stream last night, I now have two packages to offer. The regular package, which is the new package, will be $119.99 for the processing fee, and that does include the first round of letters, as well as $119.99 a month. There is a 6-month guarantee with either plan you sign up with. So once you pay the processing fee and then make 6 monthly payments, if nothing has been done to your file, you get a full refund, no questions asked. The second plan is going to be called the Basic Plus, and it's going to be $199.99 processing fee, which does include the first round of letters, and then $179.99 a month. Now, the biggest difference in the two plans outside of the pricing, because one is a good bit cheaper, the basic package is just Metro 2 compliance based challenges. And if you want to go over that with me, send me a message. I can walk you through what Metro 2 is and how we usually get negative items removed. The Basic Plus, which is a little more expensive, but let me tell you, the results we're getting from it are mind blowing. All the results you've been seeing this past week are from this new system. None of them are from the older system that is just Metro 2. So with the Basic Plus again, it is going to be Metro 2 compliance-based challenges as well as consumer laws and CFPB complaints. And if we have to, we will use factual disputing as well. Now, I haven't done factual disputing in a little over a year, but I still know how to do it. It hasn't left my brain yet. So if we have to do that, we will. But for most people, we send 2 rounds of Metro 2, 2 rounds of consumer laws, and then 2 rounds of CFPB complaints if needed. Now, if it takes longer than 6 months, because it can, we normally go back to the consumer laws, because consumer laws is the #1 way to get these negative items removed. I used to think it was Metro 2. Metro 2 is coming in at #2, and then CFPB complaints, and then factual disputing. So again, as you all know, I don't do any type of disputing, but if it does come to that, I can do it because I do still know how to do it. If anybody's interested in signing up, go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com, click on sign up for credit solutions, then send me a text message to 229-380-7837. I will then send you the welcome email where you can upload your documents, picture ID, proof of address. Also, I'll leave a link in the description of the video for the credit monitoring required for me to do the work. It is My Free Score Now. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you'd like to set up a free consultation, just send me a text message or an email, and all that information will be in the description of the video. I hope y'all have a great day.